Experiencing trouble connecting your Tesla Powerwall 3 to the app? You're not alone. Released in October 2024, Powerwall 3 has become a leading home energy storage solution. But connectivity issues, especially with the app, are a common frustration. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get your Powerwall back online. As of November 2025, Tesla rolled out firmware version 2025.2.1, which addresses many of these bugs. So let's get started. The Tesla Gateway serves as the central hub for your Powerwall 3's connectivity, bridging your home Wi-Fi network and the Tesla cloud. This dual-band device ensures reliable communication using both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, with Ethernet as a backup option. To maintain optimal performance, ensure your gateway's firmware stays current through the Tesla app. Regular updates address connectivity bugs and improve stability. Versions older than 2025.2 can lead to authentication loops and connection failures, so updating promptly prevents these common issues. Finally, double-check that your gateway is physically connected properly to your network equipment and power source for the best connectivity experience. Powerwall 3 requires a stable Wi-Fi connection using either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz networks with a minimum upload speed of 10 megabits per second. To maintain a reliable connection, avoid interference from devices like microwaves, cordless phones, and neighboring Wi-Fi networks that can disrupt the signal. For larger homes or areas with weak signals, consider implementing a mesh network system with multiple interconnected nodes to provide better coverage and stronger signal strength throughout your property. In the Tesla app, check your gateway's IP address settings. For stability, consider configuring it as a static IP address to prevent connection drops during network changes. The Tesla app connects using OAuth 2.0 authentication for secure access. This standard ensures safe communication between your app and Tesla's servers. Start by verifying your Tesla account credentials. Make sure your username and password are correct. Then enable two-factor authentication for added security. Ensure the Tesla app has location permissions enabled. This allows the app to connect properly with your gateway. If the app shows gateway offline, it usually means there's a Wi-Fi connection or account synchronization issue. Check your network and try relinking your account. Let's begin with some basic troubleshooting. First, power cycle both the gateway and the Powerwall. Disconnect them from their power source. Wait a few seconds, and then reconnect. Next, check your Wi-Fi signal strength near the gateway. Aim for a signal strength of -50 dBm or better for optimal performance. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting the app's cache or reinstalling the Tesla app completely. After reinstalling, relink your account by logging out and then logging back in. This can often resolve synchronization issues between the app and your Powerwall system. Sometimes, interference from neighboring Wi-Fi networks can cause connectivity issues with your Powerwall 3. Try switching to the 2.4 GHz band, which is less prone to interference, or consider adding a Wi-Fi extender to strengthen your signal throughout your home. Firmware update failures can temporarily lock you out of your Tesla account. During the update process, which may take a few minutes, be patient and avoid powering off the device. The system will automatically reconnect once the update completes successfully. If you experience poor cellular backup, using an Ethernet cable as your primary connection can provide a more stable and reliable link to your Powerwall 3. Simply connect the Ethernet cable from your router to the gateway for consistent connectivity. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your Powerwall 3 still won't connect, it's time to contact Tesla support for advanced diagnostics. According to internal reports, Tesla resolves 75% of connectivity tickets within 24 hours. Remember, most issues are preventable with proper setup and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Stay connected and enjoy the benefits of your Powerwall 3.